Good morning from Star Princess. We've just arrived in Cozumel, Mexico, and we're not alone. Right next to us we have the MS Eurodam from Holland America, and behind that is the Allure of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. We noticed a few other ships that look like they're heading this way, so it might be a pretty busy day here in Cozumel today. But I'm going to start with a more relaxed vibe. I'm going to head down to the Lotus Spa for a massage this morning, while Will heads up to the gym. Then we're going to get off, explore the port a bit, maybe do some ship spotting while we're at it. But then we'll be right back on board because we've got more to experience here on Star Princess. Okay, as always, it's always fun trying to find a new location and a new ship. And I'm back through a corridor of cabins because the Lotus Spa is aft on deck 6. There's no main kind of public area to get there, it appears, so hope I'm going in the right direction. Ah, we have a sign. Perfect. Well, that was a nice massage here in the spa, but as always, keep in mind spa services are an extra charge.
Well, I managed to get to the gym today, had a good workout, and when I came back to the cabin, we have another ship pulled up next to us. It is the Carnival Horizon. Looks pretty nice. It's got all the new colors of Carnival, and you can definitely tell it is set up for fun. It has a lot of water slides on it. Yeah, looks great. I picked up these nice treats along my walk today, and look at these glasses. So nice.
Yes, these do look lovely, but the cutlery, little kits, come with a knife and a fork. This probably warrants a spoon, so this could get messy. Let's see. Oh, we might make it through. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, before we head off the ship, just going to make our way to the buffet for a late lunch, and that should get us started for the day. All right, this should get us going.
I got a nice little assortment of deliciousness.
Another little view of the Carnival Horizon docked next to us. So the pier here in Cozumel runs along, and then there is a further walkway that heads toward the terminal area right over there. So it can be a bit of a walk depending on which pier you're docked at. And we are in Cozumel.
Here we are.
Okay, we've made it off, and let's do a little ship spotting first because there's actually quite a few here. We of course have our ship, the Star Princess. Then we have Carnival Horizon right next to that, and then the MS Eurodam from Holland America. And if we go over here, we've got Allure of the Seas and Grandeur of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. And way out in the distance, we're probably not going to be able to see it, there's a Edge class ship from Celebrity. And next to that, there is, I believe, another Royal Caribbean smaller ship, but it's really hard to see out there. So 2, 4, 6, 7 ships in Cozumel right now. All right, as we get to the end of the pier, we've got the Cozumel duty-free shop, so let's wander through here. Oh, this goes on for quite a while. Okay, when you exit the duty-free shops, you're right in with all the restaurants and Diamonds International, of course. You've got the Three Amigos. This is also where you'll meet up with your excursion group if you have something booked. You don't have to go through all the duty-free shops. You can walk alongside as well. We've got a little park area, which might come in handy because it is getting hot and we need some shade. Someone's enjoying the sun. Okay, we found some shade.
Taxi.
The taxi stands are only about a 5-minute walk from the main pier there, so that's convenient. So when you reach the fountain, there's an exit out of the port right here. And that's where we're going. Oh, hello, horsey. All right, the shops continue. Okay, we're ducking in and out of some shops to get some shade because it is hot. Okay, we've made it to the Mayan Plaza, another shopping area that's nice and close to the port. So the International Cruise Terminal entrance is just down about a 10-minute walk from where we exited. Okay, I think we've wandered far enough in this direction. We're running out of shops and restaurants, so we're gonna head back toward the port and then see where we end up. All right, we're back to the port. Just gonna stroll around a bit more. The reason we're just kind of strolling around today with not too much planned is we're actually back in Cozumel next week when we're on our next cruise, and we have something a bit more action-packed for then. So you'll have to stay tuned for those episodes coming soon to the channel. But for now, we're just going to continue wandering around. I think it's almost time for a cold drink.
Agreed.
All right, we found a little spot to grab a margarita and some salsa and guacamole.
I'm feeling a little parched. I think I need a small drink. Wait a minute.
I agree. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, that was a nice little stop for a drink and a snack, but I think we're gonna wander through the port area here back toward the ship. Back on board we go.
Back on board we go.
All right, back to the pier. Heading over to Star Princess. Okay, we're back on board. We just stopped by the International Cafe and they had a dessert that we haven't seen yet called the William. So, how could we resist? So, we're just gonna sit back and have a coffee. Allure of the Seas is heading out. I suspect we'll be right behind them shortly. Okay, we are all set for the evening. We actually got a lot done this afternoon, including a small nap, but we also got our laundry done. I know, it's exciting to do on vacation, but we are heading right on our next cruise after this one, so we had to get all set for that. But it's a beautiful evening out. There's tons on the schedule around the ship tonight, so we're gonna start by going and trying to get into the main dining room. We had reservations, but we canceled that because we were running a bit later than anticipated. So we're gonna see if we can do a walk in there and then see what else is going on of interest. Oh, the shops are busy tonight.
We made it into the dining room and there was no wait.
All right, first up, ensalada vista for my appetizer.
And mushroom arancini balls for me.
All right, for my main course, I have the oven-baked cod.
And my main dish is spinach and mushroom gnocchi.
Okay, I'm gonna try this cod because it looks really nice. Let's see here. It's fresh, tender. Oh, it's got that nice coating on the outside. Really nice. How was your gnocchi?
Very creamy. It's got a lot of taste to it. The spinach inside and the mushroom together is a really nice mix.
Okay, my dessert has arrived. A little tiramisu.
And I selected the mochaccino semi-frito. How's that for rhyming?
I think it looks way better than mine, is what I think. Wow. Okay, I tasted Will's dessert, and looks can be deceiving because my tiramisu is way better. Okay, we've made our way to Crooner's Bar for a drink before we head to the main production show in the theater tonight. So let's have a look at the menu.
I'm gonna get the Tropical Alibi. It consists of whiskey, banana liqueur, coconut milk, pineapple, lime, and bitters.
All right, let me see what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna go for the Sweetest Sounds. Crossfire rum, amaretto, coconut, fresh lime, and ginger. Let's try that.
So this is the Tropical Alibi. So let's give it a quick taste. Very good. You can taste the banana liqueur in it. Delicious.
All right, give mine a try. Ooh. All kinds of sugar around the rim there. So it's a little sweet. Let me try that again without some of the sugar there. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's kind of creamy. Yeah, super sweet though. All right, we've made our way to the theater, to the arena. Tonight's show is called Illuminate. It's like
Illuminate.
a circus-themed type show by the looks of it. And we'll see what it's like. This is a popular one. It's a full house. Okay, before we call tonight, a little stop by O'Malley's Pub.
That's the paddy's cure. When there he's on for drinking, I hear the lasses swell and stuff and all the way. That me cherry still would set your heart a bubbling. It was I heard and reaches I required till I was almost tired out the rocky road. What did you prefer? I'm a broken man on the Halifax pier and I lost the barracks drive. But Molly took me charges, and she filled them up with water. Then sent for Captain Marl till they were ready for the slaughter.
Well, that's going to do it for us tonight. There's been so much going on, from dinner in the main dining room for Italian night, to the Illuminair show in the arena, to more Irish music in the Irish pub, white party in the piazza, the after party going on in the dome. There's just tons going on the ship tonight. But for now, we're off to bed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps support the channel. And hit that bell notification so you don't miss our upcoming episodes. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.